Real Estate. So the question is asked, Dr. Real Estate, I get this all the time in my DMs. Should I purchase in this market because it looks like the prices are going crazy high and there's multiple offers? My answer to that is 1000% yes. Why? Because the interest rates are at an all-time low. So I gave you guys kind of a breakdown. It will be very, very succinct. I'll be very, very straight to the point so you guys get the gist. And if you have more questions, just shoot me a DM. First things first, in Clifton, a 2-bedroom over 2-bedroom, unfinished attic, unfinished basement, it's reality. You're gonna spend $500,000. If you're doing an FHA program, 203B, 3.5% down payment on $500,000, your out-of-pocket expense of a down payment is $17,500. Now, I'm not going to get into MIP, the upfront cost that's put into the loan, and then your monthly mortgage insurance premium and your PMIs. I'll just say that you have a mortgage lender to help you out with that. But at the end of the day, you're going to be financing after your down payment, after your upfront cost, $490,000 more or less. If your taxes are $10,000 a year, and your insurance is more or less $1,200 a year, you're going to be all in it right over here at a 2.8% interest rate, all in, principal, interest, taxes, insurance, PMI, $3,293. You might say, oh my God, it's a lot of money. But in Clifton, New Jersey, a 2-bedroom can easily rent for $1,700 a month. You subtract that number from this, you are paying out of pocket $1,593 out of your pocket a month. Now, if you look at the comps at what's renting in Clifton, like I said, minimum $1,700, but you could be as high as $2,500. So, $500,000, 2.8% interest rates, you're only paying out of pocket $1,593. Now, this interest rate is all dependent on your income and dependent on your credit scores and a lot of other qualification stuff. But even if you went up to 4.25%, you're all in it a month after the rent, $1,911. So at the end of the day, it makes sense. And just to let you know, my preferred mortgage lender, MLB, Meredith, the branch manager, I've seen her get this number down to 2.375%, which is insane. So if you have any more questions, reach out to me or reach out to Meredith, and there you have it.